Hello you beautiful souls and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I'm very excited to do this and I hope you will like it too. Okay, let's just jump right into the exciting part because I have a very special announcement and we're gonna drop the yay bomb because I bought myself a van. I'll show you. Say hi to my baby Cartouche. He's a yellow Fiat Ducato and I've called him like that because that was my first dog's name. I've always loved the dog so much. It was a mix between a collie and a wolf and I've always felt a deep connection with that dog and with wolves in general. Besides that, it could have been the great-grandfather of my current baby Mishka because they look exactly alike, so I thought this would fit our car very well. Here I am again. So for those who are wondering why I bought myself a van, well, next year I'm leaving my comfortable 9-to-5 lifestyle in Belgium to exchange it for the adventurous digital nomad life. It is something that I always dreamed of and I knew that I would make it real someday, and that time has finally come. I just believe that you can achieve anything in this world if you just work towards it for 100% and if you just believe in yourself and the goodness of the universe, then it will all be okay. So I'm gonna give you a van tour today in this video, but before I'm gonna start, I just want to give you a quick overview about my new YouTube channel, what the main reasons are behind it, what my video topics are gonna be. So these videos will be about traveling, living the digital nomad lifestyle, living a more holistic and healthy lifestyle, and also creating your own online business. So overall, living the ambitious and holistic lifestyle you always dreamed of. Also, I don't want to brag about my own life in these videos at all. My main reason for making these videos is just because I want to motivate other people to love themselves for 100% and to pursue their ultimate dreams just like I did. Also, I believe that everyone deserves to live the life they always wanted, and I want to motivate you to just put away those fears. Don't avoid it, just face them, do it, just go for your ultimate lifestyle, because if I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, so now it's time to do my van tour. I must say it's kind of messy in there. The previous owners left a bunch of stuff in the van that I could use because they don't need it anymore, but I didn't have the time to clean it up or to look through it. So I'm sorry for that, but it is what it is, and I just thought it would be nice to give you a van tour before this, just the way how I bought it, and then afterwards in a few other videos later I will give you another van tour with the restyled version. So let's go. There he already is. Okay, let's open him up. Welcome to my crib. Okay, let's start with the sleeping area, where dreams become reality, at least in our heads. Okay, so don't mind the chair laying down here on the bed. This one will be exchanged with another one in the front of the car, so it's not here. It isn't. For the bed, it is a very comfortable bed, and it isn't big, but I'm not big, so it fits perfectly. Also, it is a two-size bed, so if a friend comes over, they can sleep with me in the car, what's very nice, I think. But if you're a little bit taller than me, then you will have to squeeze yourself into it. But it is free sleeping space, right? Okay, let's go on. So above the bed, we have two closets. They are pretty small, but they are perfect for everything like accessories or hobby related stuff, and yeah, I will see what fits right into it because I will use the space as much as possible, because in a van you don't have a lot of space, so you will have to use all of it. Next to the bed we have a ventilation system and a heater underneath, and another closet with quite some space. I think I will put clothing in here, maybe shoes, toiletry. Yes, I will see. There's also a lot of electrical stuff going on here that I will need to recheck. And on the door we have a mirror, what I quite like, because if I feel a little lonely I can at least talk to myself. Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, let's close this one. Then underneath the bed we also have a big closet. You can't see it for the moment because it's filled with a lot of stuff right now, but there fits quite a lot in here. Then on the door of this closet we also have 3 racks, what I found quite handy. And yeah, I can't say a lot about this anymore. It's just a closet. This is the kitchen area where the magic happens. Oh, I love food. So this is the cooking space, the sink, and then if I can put away this chair, we have a small kitchen counter here that I can put down. I also have another option for a kitchen counter, but I will show this one to you later. I will put this one up again, one moment. Okay, so it's quite small, but I think it's perfect for me. I am used to having a bigger kitchen, but I adapt very fast, so no problem. Then underneath the cooking space I have a fridge with a small freezer where I can put my ice cubes and frozen berries. And then next to the fridge we have another closet who is already filled with a gas tank, but I can put a little bit of cleaning stuff in here, so perfect. Okay, so that was it for the kitchen area. Small but cozy. Let's go off to the bathroom. So we have a toilet here, something that I certainly needed in the van because I don't like it when I need to pee and there is no toilet in the area. I drink a lot, so yes, I need a toilet. Okay, then we have a shower also, what is a very big plus for me. I wouldn't mind it if I didn't have a shower. I would find other options for that, but it is a plus, so I'm very thankful for that. Okay, here we have another mirror, a sink, and a small closet. And that was it for my tiny bedroom. So, like I said, we have another kitchen counter here. Normally we can put this one up, but because of this chair I can do it right now. This one is the one that needs to be exchanged with the other one in the back, and this one will be removed, so I have a lot more space. Then underneath this kitchen counter, or whatever you want to call it, we have another closet with a bit of room here. This will be removed also, and also a lot of electrical stuff. Okay, let's close this one. Then when we go a little bit more upwards, we have another space to put some kitchen stuff. This is also from previous owners that I will have to check what I keep and what not. And this is all secured with curtains, what I don't really think is very safe, but I will try to find another way for that. Then if we go down, I also have a big closet in the floor, but I will not open it right now. But yeah, it's quite big, as you can see. This is the last area of my van. You can call it my living room. This is my table, and this chair can be turned so I can eat here, drink here, work here, or read a book comfortably. So if I put this one down again, then I have a bit of room here to put some stuff. I also have another rack here that I don't know what I could use it for, but we'll see. And also a bit of space here and another closet here. So yeah, that was it. I can show you the front of the car, but yeah, it just looks like a car. So yeah, that was it for my first YouTube video and my van tour. I love this car already and I can't wait to go on an adventure with him and my dog. He will change a lot in the next few weeks, and I will make another video about it in a few weeks when he's totally changed and my personal style. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, or maybe put a comment down below. And if you want to keep on following my travel adventures, if you want to learn more about digital nomad lifestyle, on how to make your own online business, how to live more holistic and healthy, definitely click on the button subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Every girl dreams of feeling like a queen, with a gentleman who sweeps her off her feet. I'm one of the lucky ones, 'cause love is good to me. I found my shining knight, and he is all I need. Don't need a magic ball to tell me